Welcome to 80/20's product highlight series. Today, we're going to take a look at door stops. These door stops prevent doors from overextending or swinging too far into the frame. These door stops are not only easy to install, but also require no machining. They're available in both fractional and metric, and compatible across a wide range of profile series. They come in two different styles, aluminum and nylon, and both install in a similar fashion. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the door stop is a standalone part, and that bolt assemblies will be needed to install them. Recommended bolt assemblies for the door stops can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. Let's first take a look at the aluminum version. It's a strong, long-lasting option that's also weather resistant, which makes it a great choice for outdoor applications. Now, when it comes to installing the door stop, we're going to take the door stop itself and preload it with 2 bolts and 2 T-nuts. Get this last T-nut on there. We'll grab our frame and we'll just slide it into the open T-slot. Get it where we want it. We'll grab our wrench and we'll tighten it down. Now, for our nylon version, it's similar to the aluminum one, except it connects to the inside of the frame and also features rubber bumpers for a soft close. Now, to install it, we'll do it the same way we did the aluminum one and preload it with 2 bolts and 2 T-nuts. We'll slide into the open T-slot on the inside of our frame and we'll tighten it down with our wrench. From there, we're ready to put our hinges to use. Hopefully you found this segment on door stops helpful. For more information, please visit 8020.net and be sure to subscribe for future videos. And as always, make it a great day.